There is a special type of condo in Hawaii that you can comfortably enjoy whenever you visit, and whenever you're not here, it can generate income for you. The condo is Waikiki Banyan. Aloha, this is Yong. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii, and welcome to Waikiki Banyan 3102, Tower 2, which my client has purchased. So let's go take a look. Over the years, many clients have purchased Waikiki Banyan through Yong Hawaii Real Estate, and I help them through the entire process from purchase to remodeling, Airbnb setup, and find the property manager all in one place. So the property manager does all the job for you for a fraction of your income. In particular, from 2024 through early 2026, I completed a total of 13 transactions at Waikiki Banyan alone. And some clients even went on a purchase multiple units, and many chose to proceed with remodeling after their purchase. To this day, they continue to generate income through Airbnb. I also currently have a few clients who are in the process of purchasing and remodeling with me, which really shows how popular this property continues to be. Another reason Waikiki Banyan is so popular is parking. Even though the parking is extremely limited in Waikiki, each unit comes with a parking stall, which is a huge advantage in Waikiki. The building amenity has also been renovated, making the overall experience even more comfortable, appealing for guests. I put the links in the description. If you're thinking about investing in short-term rental in Hawaii, I highly recommend checking them out. If you're planning a trip to Hawaii, you might also consider booking one of our fully remodeled units for your stay. Hello.
Wow, look at this place.
Looks nice, yeah?
It's completely different.
Than how it used to look like. And look at the ocean.
Wow, it's beautiful today. Wow, perfect weather.
It is a perfect weather. Yeah, look at this. This is the Pacific Waikiki Ocean.
Wow, I like that chair.
I do too. So this is the Tower 2 in Waikiki Banyan 3102, which my client has purchased from Korea. So everything is done. He saw this unit actually once. He was actually traveling and he saw this unit and he went back to Korea and he made an offer. We closed the deal. We fixed it up so it's a brand new unit. And he's coming back tomorrow.
Oh wow.
This unit featured in today's video was also a project where I worked closely with a client in Korea, supporting them every step of the way here in Hawaii. From the purchase, cable setup, Airbnb listing, even selecting the property management company, I handle entire process together step by step. Since remodeling Hawaii can take time and requires carefully attention to detail, I made sure to personally check on the site frequently and provide regular video updates so my client could feel fully informed, even from overseas.
I like this table.
Yeah. What about the cart?
Very convenient. Wow, how big is that TV?
85-inch.
It's huge.
It is huge. As tall as me, right?
Bigger than you.
If I lie down on the sideway.
Pretty sure it's bigger than you.
And this is a couch bed.
Oh wow, that's a couch bed?
Queen size.
Oh yeah, I see the bottom over there.
So you just have to pull it out and becomes a bed.
Wow, well that's hard to get nowadays.
It's really hard to find couch bed in Honolulu at this time. The kitchen, of course. Do you know what this is?
Air fryer.
It is air fryer.
Anything else you guys have?
Oh yeah. Rice cooker, toaster, knives, salt, peppers, olive, cooking, mixer, kettle pot, cups, wine cups, dishes, bowls,
Well, you got everything.
everything. And the knives, forks, spoons, everything.
I like how everything matches.
Cutting boards, pots and pans, and the refrigerator and the freezer. Pretty nice, yeah?
Yeah, it's very nice.
So we did all this when my clients are off the island.
It's beautiful.
It is. You know how many times we came here? You didn't even recognize it.
There's just so many and it looks so different.
And this side? Yeah, sliding door.
It looks custom.
Yeah. So there are two queen size beds right here. What do you think about custom wall?
I like the backsplash,
It's very nice.
but it goes well with the unit.
Yeah.
But I like that, the window view.
This is what you're going to see in the morning.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I mean, and there's a dresser, iron board, everything.
Wow, even a vacuum cleaner.
So if you want to stay a little bit longer, you can because we have everything ready for you. And there's a door to the bathroom from the bedroom and from the living room. And you're gonna come from the living room.
Oh yeah?
I can't. So 2 double sinks. Nice, right?
Very nice.
I mean, pretty much same layout. If you want to use a restroom, there is a sliding door. So the good thing about this layout, I mentioned before. So if your kids are staying in the living room, want to wash their hands or blow dry their hair, if they want to brush their teeth while you're taking shower, they can. It's because we left this space open, very easy to access.
Another good thing is if you have guests over, they don't have to go through your bedroom to use the bathroom.
Or the vanity, right? So that's the one of the best way to design it when you want to maximize your income this way. Yeah, so shampoo, conditioner, body wash.
It's nice.
It is adjustable shower. If you're interested in investing in Hawaii Airbnb, you can contact me at any time. And also, if you want to stay in this beautiful unit, which was just remodeled, there is a link in the description. Malo!